To use Bluetooth on your Sonos Move, you will have to make sure that your Sonos Move is turned on. So if you don't see any light on top, come here at the back and press on the power button. And just wait a few seconds. You will see the white light on top. If you already see a blue light, that means you are already on the Bluetooth mode, so skip this next step. You see at the back, you have this Bluetooth Wi-Fi button. You just press on it and you will see a blue light, just right here. Actually, it's a blinking blue light because it is looking for a device. If you have a steady light, that means it's already connected to a device. So, next step, I will grab my phone. This one is an Android, but it's the same thing on iOS or any other phone. You will need to look for your Bluetooth menu. Mine is just right here, so I hold it. And I will go at the very bottom to find available devices. And there is the Sonos Move just right here. So I hit the Sonos Move. There is no password to input. You will just need to confirm by pressing OK. And that sound confirms that the phone is now connected to the Sonos Move. And as you can see, the light is steady blue. Now, if I want to make play something, well, I'll just press play on anything. And it's playing just right here. Now, if I want to control the volume, there is a control volume on the phone. But don't worry, if you reach the maximum volume of your phone, you can also control the volume on the Sonos Move with the 4-dot button just next to the play button. And the play pause button works as well. What I suggest, if you want a better quality, put the volume of your phone at the maximum and then control the volume you want on the device itself. When the Sonos Move is in Bluetooth mode, it's a simple Bluetooth speaker. So if you go in the Sonos application, you won't find your Sonos Move. It's in another world. It's just a Sonos speaker. There is no Alexa, there is no Google Voices services. It's just a Bluetooth speaker. And the Bluetooth connection cannot be shared to the other Sonos speaker. So when you're done and you want to go back at home and put your Sonos Move back to your Sonos family, you will go at the back and just press the Bluetooth Wi-Fi button once, and the light will blink white for a few seconds. And when it will be steady white, like this means it comes back on the Wi-Fi and it's ready to play with the Sonos family, with all your other Sonos devices in the house. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description. And you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!